ये तो वाइट थी।
सुपर वाइट, सुपर वाइट के कितने होते? 4 रन।
कितने चाहिए बात जीतने के लिए?
8 रन चाहिए वरना।
अबे तुम इतना रन अप क्यों ले रहे हो गांडू? इधर से आके बॉलिंग करो ना तुम चुपचाप से, अच्छी बॉलिंग होगी। ये देखो
ये बदल
मेरा भी कट है।
देखो अगर बॉलिंग वाली टीम मेरा फी देने के लिए मान जाएगी तो मैं अभी ओवर कर सकता हूँ इसका।
वाइट।
ये तो ऐसे ही जिता दे।
2 रन।
तुम भी वो देख रहे हैं क्या? हां 2 छक्के तुमने मारे।
ओह
बैट से भाग।
लगी बैट से लगी।
ग्रोन अप बेबी का वो है।
ऐसा है।
अरे
मैन ऑफ द मैच।
ठीक है भाई।
एक गलती हो गई हम लोग।
हम लोग बैटिंग आएंगे।
हमारे बच्चों के लिए फोटो नहीं।
हमारी बैटिंग है, विनर की बैटिंग। बच्चे कहते बाप हमारी बॉल तो खेल नहीं पाते, हमारा कौन बॉलिंग कर रहा है? अंपायर वेल डन। आपने गेम में हमें लगा था केवल many of them they have some of them
पीछे ओवर कर लो।
अच्छा है वो नहीं 8 की करना। 8 हां बाट की ना। हां बाट की करो। 8 तो मतलब एक वो मारेगा एक तो ठीक है। अरे नहीं लॉस से कल यार इतना अच्छा कैप्टन नहीं बना। आओ हम किसी के साथ करें। कोविल के साथ
कौन है कैप्टन? कोई कैप्टन के लिए वॉलंटियर है?
ना तुम दोनों।
अबे तुम दोनों हो तो बात है। अबे अतुल तुम ही टीम चूज कर लो ना तो।
पीछे विनीत सिंह।
जोग ने फील्डिंग ठीक की।
भाई अरे मजे ही चले।
भाटिया कॉल करेगा।
हां ठीक है ओके।
हेड टेल से टेल।
ओके चूज
बैटिंग।
इधर एक सेकंड।
अरे यार हाथ
बैटिंग नहीं पहले टीम चूज करो।
टीम हो गई।
तुम्हारी टीम कौन? नहीं एक सेकंड।
ओके
हो गया है ना? क्योंकि इधर में ये हो रहा है कि तुम सारे लोग को लेके चले गए हो।
अबे नहीं हो गया। देख कितने लोग खेला।
अबे कहाँ कोई खेलने वाला तो है नहीं उधर।
जानबूझ के
कौन है यार? कैच आप पीछे रहो यार। कैच तक मारा किसने?
पूरा भरोसा है।
जल्दी दो दूसरा नहीं। बॉल को एकदम फोकस कर देगा। पार्टी आराम से अबे गलत बदल क्या है? यहां काट लो थोड़ा इधर रहो। उधर टीवी है। ओ पार। अबे और इधर कर। और इधर कर। क्या ले रहे हो भैया? ये क्या ले रहे हो? और इधर कर। और इधर कर। अबे और इधर कर।
यहाँ पे एक ही लेग दिखाओ तो सही। अबे लेग दिख नहीं मुझे। ठीक से दिखाओ।
बॉल लेके आओ तुम।
जल्दी करो बॉल आ गई है। अरे भाई साहब आइए आप तो लगाओ शील्ड पे। अरे बॉल आ गई।
मैच बाहर लगा ये बॉल दिए
बॉल कम ही नहीं।
एक ही आई दो तो गई थी।
ठीक है नहीं बैटिंग हमारी।
चलो भाई
कंसल क्यों ओवर थ्रो के रन दे दिया भाई। शुक्ला कोच हो के रन नहीं है ना, नहीं बाद में मतलब देखा पानी करते हैं कूद के जाएगा। चलो भाई पानी को पिलवाए। अबे भाई बिना गाड़ी आएगी, बाल्टी लेके आते हैं। चार ले ओवर हो गया।
अच्छा नया फोन लेके आया नहीं चाहिए, चार्ज हो गया वो, बड़े पीछे हो जाएगा, चार्ज हो गया था कल, चार्जर वो
पीछे जाओ
यार एक तो पीछे चाहिए।
पकड़ यार,
क्या यार,
ये बॉल तेरा बॉस नहीं है, पीट रहा है उसको इतना। बॉस का गुस्सा बॉल के ऊपर मत निकालो।
तू रन गिन रहा है?
अरे भाई दे देना पड़ेगा।
बॉलर एक मिनट वो फील्डर आ जाए।
कैच इट,
चल 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 दो
थ्रो
आउट है, खुल गई थी बॉल। चल चल चल
कैच इट, चले कौन?
अबे बेंचेस बहुत उड़ा रहा है ये।
बढ़ के खेल तो इसके चक्कर में मतलब विनीत तो अपना टाइम पास कर रहा है। चलो भैया अब तो यार
वाइड
जी
अबे बाहर अबे क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
अरे वाह भाटी,
अरे
बहुत बढ़िया फील्डिंग, शानदार। चल 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 लेके बहुत बढ़िया। आते भाटिया तक मान जाएगा। वो बेल भी गिर गई। धीमे करा दें। यही देखा मिला 4 ओवर। नहीं भैया 1 नहीं हुआ। 4 हुआ 4
20 साल में कोशिश तक पहुंचे।
भाटी देखा फंस रहा है। चल 2 कर ले। करके 2 कर दो। कोई बहुत धीमे है ये लोग।
पहले पूछो ना।
हाँ जी हाँ।
ओ भाई साहब मेरा भी है। गिरने के बाद ओ भाई पेड़ के पीछे हो जाता हूँ, मार मार देगा बैट। आउट है भाई। अच्छा किया। मोहित बंसल को देख गया तो कुछ चांस नहीं देगा। और रनर नहीं है, दौड़ के रनर लेगा ना। नहीं क्यों ना, रनर दे दे यार। चलो भाई एक रनर आ जाओ।
पार्टी रनिंग कर ले।
उसको बुला ले ऋषि को। भागेगा तो निकल जाएगा, रोकना पड़ेगा। चलो भाई 55। वेरी गुड मैन।
इधर पे रन भी नहीं है ना ज़्यादा।
59 59। और नहीं 4 बार नहीं है, इधर है। हट चले, इस चीज के 2 रन मिलेंगे। दौड़ना देख के जल्दी नहीं है।
कैप्टन से बोलो धीमे फेंके, हमने भी धीमे फेंका।
अच्छा तू कल ईटा फेंक के मारे यार लोग। ईटा मार मार के कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे,
कभी देखता भी नहीं है, कहीं देता है।
पैर मिलाया और साले ईटा फेंक के मारा। बाहर आउट। उल्टा ठीक है। आउट।
obstructing to. ये वाइट थी ना? कोशिश करते हैं इधर ट्राई करने का ट्राई कर माइंड कंफ्यूजन हो गया अरे आजा 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 चल 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 है तू करेगा तो उसका कोई खड़ा कौन होगा तेरे को देखो तो अंदर रखी हुई ना और दो बार लोग आए बारी अब बोलेंगे यार अबे राउंड विकेट भी आ रहे हैं लेफ्ट हैंडर के लिए ठीक है एक तो लग ना जाए देखो चश्मा उतार दे और ठीक से करना भैया धीमे धीमे मार बाउंसर मार क्या कर रहा है इतनी दूर से गुम्मा 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 फेंक इसको ये क्या हो रहा है बट उनके साथ करता होगा त्रिपाठी हो गया अबे अबे 21 रन ना मार ओवर हो गया भाई वो बैट अबे मार चल आराम से हां दौड़ मनीष अंदर खींच के
अबे गेट तक लेगा ही नहीं वो सांस छोड़ दे
ऊपर लेने का यार चेस्ट के ऊपर
सांस छोड़ दे
हाँ कोशिश करेंगे मनीष आराम से करे यार और धीमे कर आजा थ्रो ओहो बढ़िया यही है
ग्रेट बॉल मैन
आजा वापस आजा 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 आजा
यस यस विनीत अबे हाथ में
कैसे यार आता है।
अबे विनीत सिंह आ गया।
एक्चुअली में एलबी है लेकिन दे नहीं सकता।
हाँ मेडल अमिताभ तिवारी आ गया। भाग 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 भाग।
तुम लोग विनर हो, अपनी फोटो वोटो खिंचवा लो। विनर टीम
ठीक है बस ठीक है तो दिल्ली से आया हो?
हाँ अभी तो दिल्ली से आया हूँ।
ये देखिए भी एक बात अच्छी होती
भैया
मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर होता है ना चेयरमैन चेयरमैन विद पीटी सेक्रेटरी अब सर मेरे को भी टिकटों में नौकरी मिली थी अगर ज्वाइन करता तो शायद मैं भी आज कुछ मुझे सब बराबर है हमने बात भी उतनी
हम सबको पहचानते हो?
हम लोग को भी काफी अच्छी ट्रिप पे रोड काफी बनी है लेकिन बीच में जाम हो गया ब्लू लाइट
I'm Sudhir Mishra. I'm the Secretary of the Alumni Association, and probably a lot of you keep getting mails from me or different things, I suppose. Not too many of you may be very happy about it, but we can deal with it. Okay, on behalf of the Institute, the Alumni Association, and the entire campus as such, we welcome you back to the campus. It's a pleasure to see people who graduated several years ago back in campus. Now, this is probably a batch which, I mean, I joined here in '94. You guys are probably 1990. Whichever way you look at it. We escaped each other. So that's the way it was. And otherwise, I'm an 81 alumnus. Thanks on our behalf as well as the association and the institute is so much concerned to them for helping us coordinate this event and putting this together. They were really the kind of moving force in contacting all of you, putting this whole event together. So before we get started, there is a very unfortunate and a very sad kind of responsibility that I have, and that is to share with you the names of 3 people from the 93 graduating batch who are no more. They are Surej Kumar Kali Shankar Bajpayee, who did his MTech in Civil Engineering in '93, KP Ravindran, who did a PhD in Mechanical Engineering in '93, and Anup Sen Gupta, MSc 2-year Maths in '93. So I'd like that we observe a minute silence and precisely observe a minute silence and reunion very seriously. You can see a lot of you, more or less by design, decided to use the tie that bind the kind of holds the whole community together, the whole institute and the alumni community, and I'm happy to see that. So we get started with the reunion event as such, with the lighting of the lamp. And as we start that, I'd like to invite you to proceed with that. Come to the lamp, and also we have with us Professor Dheeraj Sanghi, who is also an alumnus from here. He is presently also serving as the Dean of Academic Affairs, and Professor Fani, who is the head of our incubation center, or incubation related activities there. What is it called? The SIDPI Center for?
Today I am the head of industrial management in India.
Okay.
I am incidentally also the head of the SIDPI Innovation Incubation.
Okay. Thank you, Professor Sanghi and Professor Sanghi for coming here. So let's do the lighting of the lamp. Professor Sanghi and Fani, would you please also join us on the stage? This reunion, and for that matter, all the other reunions as such, this is a very informal event in the sense that we don't observe too many formalities. And then one of the reasons, or one of the ways that's manifested in this particular event today is that we don't have a planned presentation from the institute. I must share with you that the director is not here unfortunately today, so the director will be in campus tomorrow. So as far as the address or whatever he has to say personally to the group or the batch, he said that he will talk to you tomorrow at the time of the lunch, which is the director's lunch at his house. And what we would do is, if you are interested, if you are interested means if you have an interest to see, the whole group need not be interested in this activity. That's why the whole, I mean, I've done this last 2 years, and I realized that it's very difficult to find something which is of interest from the institute side, which interests all the 40, 50 people, whatever number comes up. But there are some people who are interested in specific activities. So if you have an interest in any of these specific activities, what's going on in the aeronautical engineering, for example, what's going on in the BSP center or whatever it is, then of course I'll be very happy to share those kind of details with you. I must also introduce to you Sri Malik, who's joined as a finance officer in the institute. So that's the way it is. Now, usually what we would have done is that we shared with you a research and development kind of R&D presentation as to what are the different things that are going on as far as research and development is concerned. I think that part will be partly covered. I don't want to do that. Partly covered by Professor Mani Agarwal, who's the acting director, because the director is not there. When he comes and joins us for dinner in the evening. So he'll go over the details as far as the institute is concerned. What I would like to share with you on from the institute side, in a manner of speaking, is that, see, after 94, what all, when I joined in 94, so I can practically say that, okay, what all the things that I've seen change. One thing is the introduction of the BSB as a department, the bioscience, bioengineering, BTech, MTech, PhD, the whole department. Then the introduction of MSc 5-year integrated program in economics. That's a very different kind of a program where probably this will be the only brand of economists in the country or the world who would have done TA 101, that course in engineering graphics, because that's part of the core course. So I don't know any of the students there from BSc economics or MSc economics. Then I don't see any of too many other new programs that have come up. There are other programs which have come up. The environmental engineering management program is separated.
Design is new.
EM and environmental engineering and management, since civil engineers are not there, it really doesn't matter to you. Earlier, environmental engineering was absolutely an integral part of the civil engineering program. Now, the environmental engineering and management program is an interdisciplinary program which has participation from other disciplines as well. And they have their own MTech and PhD programs. So that's a graduate program. Then there is a design program, which again is a graduate program. I don't think they don't have a BTech program, right? So MBA, yes. MBA as a degree, yes, we have introduced MBA as an academic program. So these are some of the academic initiatives. And more of those things, if you have any, if you would like to know, we can kind of find a slot and talk to you about those programs. Then, you know that we have this, I would call it a ritual in one sense, but it's a very sacred ritual that we kind of keep revamping our academic programs, especially the undergraduate. And the latest revamp took place in 2011. So we have this, after the revamp, now we have the second year, so that's it. Those guys are still to graduate, but this, in that program we introduced certain interesting things. One of them was that we abolished the master's program as an entry-level program. That is, the dual degree BSc, BTech, MTech program has been done away with. We are probably one of the first institutes in the country to introduce a Bachelor of Science program. That is 5-year integrated MSc. I don't know how many of you are, anybody from 5-year integrated MSc? So we have done away with the 5-year integrated MSc, and now it's a Bachelor of Science program in physics with a 4-year duration. So that has been brought in more or less in line with the US kind of a model where you have a BS in engineering and BS in science. So we still call it BTech and BS, but it's a 4-year program with the option that one can change to a dual degree program somewhere down the line. Earlier, I would say in earlier academic programs, based on your JEE rank, you get admitted to a BTech in computer science or a BTech MTech dual degree in computer science. Now that won't happen. Now you get admitted to the BTech in computer science, and then as you go along, you change to a MTech in computer science, to a dual degree program. So these are some of the things that we keep doing. And as far as the student strength is concerned, I think now we are at about 6,200 is the last that I know. Batch strength, we admit about 840?
827 is the census.
827, so it's about 800 plus students. I don't know, your batches would be about 300. So that is where, that's the kind of growth that is happening. And as a result of this increase in student strength, see, ultimately in an academic institution, in a manner of speaking, student strength is related to more or less anything else. I mean, faculty strength, research facilities, this and that. So the student strength has gone from about 2,500, 2,700, that was the ballpark number in the early 90s, that's when we left campus. Now we are working at about 6,200, 6,500, that kind of number. So the hostels have increased. In fact, till such time as you were here, it's only up to Hall 5 and the girls' hostel which was there. Now I think we have Hall 11 is completed, Hall 12 is on the drawing board, and there are 2 girls' hostels. No, if I count it as Hall 11, then it's 1 more. So that's how it is. So if you go around the campus, you will find a substantial amount of change as far as hostel space is concerned. A lot of construction has happened in the academic area. The BSB building has come up, the IUB building has come up. Wind tunnel was also not there when, I don't know whether anybody from Aero here? No, wind tunnel was not constructed at that time. The present, the large wind tunnel which we have, because that was completed when I came back here. So I was part of seeing some parts of it, because after all the construction activities involved, so civil engineering. So the new wind tunnel is an addition. So as a result of all that, the core, this whole, what's that place called? The core science core building, the labs, the core lab, where you did your physics and chemistry experiments. There is a separate building for that, and so many other buildings are on the drawing board. So if you walk around the academic area, you would probably realize that on the north side, it has expanded. So there used to be a barbed wire fence there. I don't remember, there was a wall there on the north side to go office ke piche? There was a wall, or was it just a barbed wire fence? It was a wall. No, now we have a wall on the other side.
Now we have broken that wall.
Okay, so there is a major expansion of the academic area. So if you walk around there, you'll probably see a lot of new buildings which are there. In fact, the Dean of Academic Affairs, that DOA office, JE buildings, so a lot of new construction is taking place. So that's how the campus has changed. And well, indeed, in a manner of speaking, it had better change. Old order changes. So once again, welcome back to the campus. And what we will do now is to welcome you all with a small token of our kind of thanks for coming here. And for that, what I would request is that before we do that, would you like to say a few words? 1 minute, huh?
I have been put in a very uncomfortable position today. Never have been here this side of the hall. I've hardly attended lectures. In fact, I've always sat in the behind. So it was a very pleasant experience for me to organize this event. and reaching out to all of you and making you have the great experience. And probably I'll ask Vinay to continue from here. I shared with many of you in person that this event, I think the single person whom you can probably thank to organize this event is Shashank. Original design was that I will help him a lot in this event, but I have not looked that expectation. So he really engaged me at all stages. This is a plan, what's with you and all that. But I have really fallen short of expectation. He has still pulled through, and I would say that what I gathered from both of us is probably the way it is organized is probably much beyond which we would have expected, any of us. So it's a great experience, and on behalf of I think say for the institute, yeah. So welcome, Piyush. So basically, what I understand and what interaction I had, I realized that the Alumni Association is so warm, so proactive, and beside the work part of it, is sort of basically I would say the warmth and good feeling that we and basically myself had when we interacted. Honestly speaking, I think none of us probably thought that IIT can really organize such a organized event for us. But I think the way things unfolded, I'm pretty personally happy that these 2 days will create an experience for all of us which we will really cherish in years to come. So yeah, a big thanks to the Institute, to Dr. Sudhir, to Nithi, to Malika. And a lot of volunteers, we may not know the names from the association, from the student community who have really worked behind this. And I'm sure basically today and tomorrow, this is just the first event, and I think each one of us, our families, our spouses and children would really have a very good time. Thank you very much.
We just step down and welcome each of the participants individually.
Few words to this one. I think we should give a top right too, because we won a lot. That's like, yeah, a lot of us were able to graduate.
आपकी दुआएं ही काफी है कोई मिलेगी ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है यार शर्मानी कब
Atul Kushla is not there. Atul, yeah? Deep. Guatemala. Manish Agarwal.
भैया
Mohit Bansal. Dr. Mukul Jain. Mr. Piyush Srivastava. Dr. PK. Rajiv Ojha. Sir Sandeep Chopra. Sir Sanjay Dhruv. Please give a big hand to Shashank Narayan. Tushar. distinguished person today. Anand V.S. Kumar. The most bright chap. Vivi Sharma. Disco chairman Mr. Vineet Singh.
Excuse me, sir.
Tycoon Yashdeep Kumar. Sincere William Abu. Thank you. Kapil Khatri is on his way. He will be reaching any minute. We can wait for it. Yeah. Because one of the spouses and children also. And there's some I took it up then. So at least the ones who have come, we can honor them. So if you don't remember your son's name? Varun. Varun, okay. Varun, please come. And Monica.
This is a family I
Adi.